a business owner, protecting your assets is crucial. And one of the most important assets you own is your company vehicles. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to find the best auto insurance for your business. That's where we come in. We've done the research and scoured the internet to bring you the top 5 best business auto insurance companies for 2023. We've talked to experts, read reviews, and even spoken with business owners just like you to compile this list of the best of the best. Here are our top 5 picks for the best business auto insurance companies for 2023. First up, we have Progressive. Progressive is our top recommendation for commercial auto insurance and also one of our top recommendations for truck-specific policies. For more information on these policies, see our Progressive Commercial Truck Insurance Review. Progressive is flexible and accommodating in that they have customized coverage available and offer many discounts with their policies. They carry an A+ rating in financial strength from AM Best and an A+ rating in customer satisfaction from the BBB. Progressive scored highly across all of the factors we considered. Progressive scored highly across all of the factors we considered. Next on our list is Next Insurance, is our top choice for small businesses in need of commercial auto insurance. As a relatively new addition to the commercial insurance space, Next was founded in 2015 with the goal of simplifying the shopping experience for small businesses. The company's easy-to-use website combined with tailored and affordable car policies make Next Insurance a top pick for commercial auto insurance. Coming in at number 3 is the Nationwide. Nationwide is our runner-up recommendation for commercial auto insurance. Their base business auto policy covers everything you need, and they have several optional extensions to choose from. The company stands out in customer satisfaction and financial strength ratings, receiving nearly a +S across the board. To top it all off, Nationwide offers steep discounts for customers enrolled in their real-time data monitoring program. The combination of their several coverage options, elite customer satisfaction ratings, and strong financial strength makes it easy for us to recommend Nationwide for commercial auto insurance. Our 4th pick is Geico. Geico is our top recommendation for livery insurance, which is insurance for vehicles used by businesses that generate revenue transporting people. Examples include Uber or Lyft drivers, limo services, and traditional taxi cab companies. Geico is a solid choice for commercial auto insurance coverage overall, rating well in our analysis across all key factors. But Geico's unique coverage options for rideshare and livery drivers make them stand out in that category. Last but not least, we rate Farmers as our top commercial auto insurance company for contractors. With Farmers, contractors can get coverage for their business vehicles and the tools they transport inside them. And while they have flexible policy options in the area of commercial auto insurance generally, their policy options for contractors and subcontractors go above and beyond. In addition to being a large, well-established, and diverse firm, Farmers has strong financial ratings as well, receiving an A2 and a plus by AM Best, Moody's, and S&P, respectively. Farmers is a good choice for commercial auto insurance overall, but their expertise in tailoring policies for contractors means they are our top choice for the construction industry. For more information on Farmers. So there you have it. Our top 5 picks for the best business auto insurance companies in the USA. Now it's up to you to decide which one is the perfect fit for your business. Thanks for watching.